Hello. I've been able to achieve something very interesting today. What I've been able to do is a kind of a handshake between a virtual world and the realistic measurements which are being undertaken using a sensor on ground. So what I'm going to present to you today is a circuit which measures the distance using an ultrasonic sensor. And thereafter, I have been able to get a handshake done between Arduino IDE and Python language, which has enabled me to present the data in a kind of a understandable layman language kind of a way, which may prove to be very crucial and helpful in situations. So without any further ado, let me just run you through the process. Here what I have got is an ultrasonic sensor which is HCSR04. One of the modules here is the transmitter, the other one is the receiver. What it is essentially doing is it is transmitting ultrasonic waves, and when it goes and hits an object and comes back, I am able to compute the time which has elapsed, and using normal physics, as we all know what is the speed of sound at a particular temperature, we can calculate what is the distance of the object from the sensor. This ultimately is the brain of the entire process, the Arduino microcontroller, and I'll just show what is going to represent the distance as and when it is changed in real time. So here what we can see is that the distance is already coming to me in a numerical format. It is having slight amount of variations, but we will see as and when I change the distance of the box from the sensor, the values will start changing. Now I will bring the box closer and we can see the values are reducing. Now this was only the numerical part of it. I have been able to integrate it with a graphical format. So now what we see on my screen is a very simple layout which shows the distance of the target that is being represented by this box from the ultrasonic sensor. So as and when now I will move this box away from the sensor, the visual representation of the same will also be depicted, and as and when I get it close, it will close on the screen also. Meanwhile, it is measuring the distance and giving us a indication of how much is the numerical assessment of the distance. All measurements here are in centimeters. Well, this opens up a lot of possibilities for using such kind of a system in various methods and processes. For once, I have a plan to make a range meter wherein instead of having a actual measuring scale, you can stand using a ultrasonic sensor as a gun, and you can measure the distance to a particular point standing from a distance. Thank you for your patient hearing. I am open to sharing the codes and the schematics with you. Any further suggestions in this regard are highly welcome. Thank you.